To solve rational inequalities, we're using the same steps as all the other inequalities we have done. So step 1, let's ignore the inequality sign. Okay, so if that is the case, that means I've got 3 over x plus 5 is equals to 2. And we're going to try and solve this to see what x value you're going to yield. That means you get 3 equals to 2x plus 10, and you get negative 7 equals 2x, and x equals to negative 7 over 2. That's one key value. Now, the other key value is I know that the denominator, x plus 5, this cannot be 0. Okay, this cannot be 0. Because if that is 0, that denominator, if the denominator, okay, is equals to 0, then this function is undefined. This function, okay, is undefined. So therefore I know it cannot be 0. So I'm going to see what value of x would make the denominator become 0. So if I let x plus 5 equals to 0, that means x equals to negative 5. So there we go. That's the two key values we found. Okay. Step 2, we're going to draw a number line and test the regions, just like all the other inequalities. Okay, draw a number line and test regions. So for this particular case, we're going to have two values. One is negative 5, the other one is negative 7 over 2, which is the same as negative 3.5. Again, this divides the number line into 3 regions, 1, 2, and 3, and you can pick any number within those 3 regions to test. I'm going to choose negative 10. In between this is negative 4. On this side, I'm going to choose 0. Okay, so for case 1, if x is equals to negative 10, then I'm going to see if 3 over negative 10 plus 5 is greater than 2. Well, is 3 over negative 5 greater or equals to 2? That is not right, so I don't want that. Okay, for the second region, if x equals to negative 4, I have 3 over negative 4 plus 5, is that greater or equals to 2? That means we have 3 over 1. Yeah, 1, is it greater than 2? Yep, it is, so I do want this part. Okay, now the third one is we're saying, okay, the third region is if x equals to 0, well, is 3 over 0 plus 5 greater or equals to 2? Is 3 over 5 greater or equals to 2? Nope, I do not want this region. That means the region I want on the number line is in between these two key values. However, because 5 is the asymptote, okay, 5 is the one that cannot be, okay, x cannot be 5, so it doesn't matter what the inequality is, this has to be an open circle. I must not close it, okay, because it is not equals to, so it's not closed. The other one, however, the value for this one depends on this one, okay, depends on the inequality sign. Because the inequality sign is inclusive, so this one we're going to make it into a closed circle at this value. Okay, so what does that mean? The answer to this is x is in between negative 5 and negative 7 over 2, but it's inclusive of this one, not inclusive of the other one.